In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install PhonePad. Don't worry, it's very easy. First, let's go through the steps for installing PhonePad on your server. If you don't have a server, then you can select one of your computers to be the host PC. A host PC acts as a server, but can be still used as a workstation. I'm assuming you have already downloaded PhonePad Installer. You may want to copy the installer to a network drive so that you can access from any workstation. When you have started PhonePad Installer, you should see this screen. Let's click the Start button to begin. PhonePad Installer will search for a PhonePad server on your network. If you get this prompt, click the Allow button. This is a new install, so it won't find a server. Click the Download Server Software button. Once the download has finished, you should see this message. It's simply advising not to install PhonePad server on multiple computers. Click OK. The server software will now be installed. Once the installation has completed, these messages will appear. They're just letting you know that any security software you have installed may interfere with PhonePad communication. We've finished installing the server software, so we can skip to the end. If the computer you have installed the server software on is a host PC, then you should click the Install Workstation Software button. There are links on this screen for video tutorials and for getting help if you need it. Click Exit to finish this installation. Now we will have a look at installing the PhonePad Workstation software. Click the Start button. Just like before, the installer will see if it can locate a PhonePad server on your network. In this example, it found the server at this IP address. So now we can go ahead and install the Workstation software by clicking on the Install Workstation Software button. Click the Download Workstation Software button. Once it has finished downloading, it will automatically install. Now that the installation has completed, the installer is showing how to log in for the first time using the default administrator account that has been automatically created for you. Just like with the server, there are links for accessing video tutorials and getting help. Click the Exit button to complete the installation. The final step is to install the Workstation software on your other computers. If you run into problems, please remember to contact us. We're more than happy to help with any issues you may run into. Thanks for watching.